Today, many of you have asked what drone we use for the footage in Singapore. I guess this is going to be the first of our review series. This is the DJI Mavic Pro. We have the Fly More package set up here. Comes with an extra 4 propellers, 3 batteries, and some really unique functions. It's great. One of my favorite things about this, aside from having 4K video, it's very compact, which means it's mobile and ready to go for travel. Comes with this nice protector screen, little spot to make sure holds the gimbal in tight while traveling. Obviously folds out, so you get this nice setup here. Very easy to use right off the bat. Any product that takes more than 10 or 15 minutes to figure out, I'm usually not a big fan of. The DJI Mavic Pro took maybe only 5 to 6 minutes to really get a good handle of through flying and use case. The batteries offer 27 minutes of fly time. As you can see here, it's very, very small compared to my hand. It's maybe only the size of one hand at its center and maybe an extra hand on either side, making it great, very discreet. You can take this thing off from almost anywhere and land it back just as easily. It flies out at 60 kilometers an hour, can go 7 kilometers out, and again, your battery pack is really defined in the life. It has a bit more fly time while you're moving because it has less wind resistance than just hovering. But even still, at 27 minutes in the air, you should generally know what shots you want before you take them anyways. This has been a very useful tool in my toolkit, and the entire kit only costs $1,300 American. Mind you, you can buy just the Mavic and its controller for around $1,000. The controller is also very simple. Plug into an iPhone of almost any series, as well as we're using an Android currently. Very simple. Once you see, we can connect and enter the device. Very beautiful 720p or 1080i on the screen here. Makes it very simple to move. You can see everything you need to from the camera itself. You don't need to see the drone, although you will get used to that as you move forward. You can also extend to the map point to see where you are up and above. There are many settings to make sure the DJI stays safe. There's over 4 camera sensors as well, so you don't need GPS to actually control and function it, but it makes it a heck of a lot easier to do so. So, seeing as we're doing a drone review, we figured it would make sense to go somewhere that actually has the quality and beauty of shot that you'd want to see with the drone. So we're headed to Tenggannounan Waterfall here in Bali as we take you through some of the features that the drone offers, some of the quality of shots, and some of the automatic flight modes that allow you to make these shots a lot easier. So let's head off to the waterfalls. The fact that DJI Mavic Pro is this small, this mobile, 3 batteries in the DJI Fly More pack, 30 minutes a shot, 7 kilometers out at 60 kilometers an hour with 4K and 24 frames a second. This has become a must in your toolkit, at least for myself as a vlogger. The price tag to it, around $1,000, is very easy to fit in if you happen to be an aspiring photographer or filmmaker. DJI has made some of the greatest gear I've used to date. Again, one of the key features here is that it fits in a backpack small enough for me to travel with. You can get it on the plane, whereas the Phantom and the Inspire are significantly bigger. They do have the Spark as well, which is even smaller, weighing in at probably a few pounds less than this, but this has become my all-time favorite. DJI Mavic is the killer drone.